Hello, my name is Deb Johnson, and this is my review of my parts content management system. A new user would go ahead and do a bundle install to install the gems that are in this app, and then once that's done, they would type in shotgun after changing directory into the Sinatra Parts CMS. Once they hit shotgun, then they would go to their local server, localhost 9393. Once that screen comes up, a user is able to sign up by clicking on sign up. They can put in a username, email, and password, which I'll do now. For test purposes, I've been using the username as a password. Of course, that's not the best way to go as an actual user. Okay, once they have signed up, it goes to their index page, which right now is blank. They can add a new part by clicking add a new part. It will come up with text boxes to insert the information. So in each box you can put in the part name, the serial number, the quantity that you have, and the manufacturer. Then when you click submit, the app comes up and says successfully created part and shows the part in the index list for that particular user. As you can see in the background, the database is being changed as I do these things. In each of the controllers, the controllers for these different things the controller for the parts is right here, and what we just did, adding a new part, is right here. So if any of the areas that were in the form are left blank, the user will receive a message at the top saying please fill in all information if they try to save a new part without one of those. If the user hits save and everything's good, then these different things will happen in the background, and that will save to the database. The user, parts, the manufacturer, and the part that the join table user manufacturers, that particular part is saved as well. Okay, if this user wants to see that part, they would go to, I think it's number 9. No, that's a different one. Okay. This user's new part is part number 10 in the database. They can go to the edit page directly by typing in /edit after that, or they can click on edit this part. So this allows them to change if they misspelled the name or got the serial number wrong, or maybe they had a change and they got some more in, so now they have a quantity of 10 of these gaskets instead of what we had before. And when we hit save on that, you can see in the background the database was saved to, and under the patch for that particular item, you see here this also checks to see if anything is empty, and if the part is updated, it says part updated successfully. When you click back to parts list, it goes back and shows the user their parts list, and I'm going to go back and show that this can delete. On the same edit page, there's also a delete part button, and clicking that deletes the part and goes back to the index page of the user, which now shows that he doesn't have any parts anymore. To log out, the user clicks on log out, and it will go to a login page in case they clicked that by accident. And as you can see, the logout deletes the session user ID and redirects to login. So that is my parts management system. Sign up using create to create a new part, showing an index, which is reading, updating, which was the editing part, and deleting. And the only thing I did not show was that new user actually logging in at a separate time. And there he is logged in. Of course, doesn't have any parts because we deleted it. And that is my app.